Hi, my name's Pete. I'm from Kryptonite. I'm here to talk to you about the KryptoLok Series 2 Standard U-Lock. The KryptoLok Series 2 is rated a 6 out of 10 on our security scale. It's a moderate security lock, great for quicker metropolitan area lockups or longer suburban area lockups. The KryptoLok Series 2 Standard comes with a bent foot shackle for ease of use. It also comes with 2 stainless steel keys. Remember to register your key number with us, and in the event that you lose these keys, Kryptonite will send you 2 free replacement keys. Also, the KryptoLok Series 2 Standard has a sliding dust cover which helps keep dirt and debris out of your cylinder, and as usual, it comes with a lifetime warranty. The KryptoLok Series 2 also comes with the Transit Flex Frame bracket. This bracket can be mounted to your bike frame for ease of transport. The KryptoLok Series 2 has a 13mm steel shackle, and the interior locking dimensions are 4 inches by 9 inches. The KryptoLok Series 2 Standard is a moderate security lock. It's great for longer suburban area lockups or quick metropolitan area lockups. Hi, my name's Pete, and I'm here today to talk to you about the New York Standard U-Lock. The New York Standard U-Lock is rated a 9 out of 10 on our security scale. This form of ultimate security is great for major metropolitan areas, as well as riding around college campuses. This U-Lock comes with a double deadbolt design, which means that it locks on both ends of the shackle. Also included are 3 stainless steel keys, one with an LED light, and make sure to register those keys with us. In the event that you lose them, we can send you 2 free replacements. Also included with this lock is a sliding dust cover, which helps keep dirt and debris out of your cylinder, and a Transit Flex Frame U-bracket. This bracket can be attached to the frame of your bicycle and makes transporting the lock very simple. This lock comes with Kryptonite's lifetime warranty. It has a 16mm hardened steel shackle, and the interior locking dimensions are 4 inches by 8 inches. The New York Standard U-Lock, ultimate security, great for city riding, and also available in a long shackle model.
Hi, I'm Jackie with Kryptonite, and today we're going to be talking about Kryptonite's key and combination services. Kryptonite offers free key registration. So the first thing you should do when you buy a Kryptonite lock is register your keys. When you register your keys with Kryptonite, we'll have it for you in case you lose it. Your key number is going to be 2 letters followed by 4 or 5 numbers. The key number is going to be found on your key fob. It's going to be the top set of numbers, and the bottom set of numbers can be ignored. Remember, your key number is not going to be found on your lock. Kryptonite also offers free combination registration. You can register your preset or resettable combination with us. And if you forget it, all you have to do is call. For the New York Series locks, the key number is going to be found on a small metal tag on the key ring. This key number will not be found on the key fob. Once your keys are registered, you can take advantage of our Key Safe program. If you do lose your keys, don't worry. We'll replace them for you. And we offer our shipping worldwide. Many of our locks
Today I'd like to talk to you about properly locking your bike with a U-lock. A few things to remember before we get started. First, always lock in a well-lit area. No dark alleys. Second, always lock to a stationary object that cannot be cut and that you cannot easily remove the bike from. Third, always lock according to value. First, your number one priority is your frame. Second is your rear wheel. And third is your front wheel. Now let's do this. So first you take your shackle and you come around and capture the frame and the rear wheel and just connect the crossbar. What you want to remember is you want to take up as much usable space here in the shackle as possible so a thief cannot get a tool in there. You also want to make sure the lock is elevated up off the ground with the keyway facing down. Today I'd like to also show you a few more ways to get added security that will include your front wheel. One of the ways is using a double loop cable. What you want to do is run the cable around your front wheel, securing it with the shackle of the U-lock. This gives you additional protection, but remember, a cable is just a secondary deterrent. It is never to be used in place of a U-lock, and always make sure that the U-lock is what's locking to the immovable object. Another option for adding additional security or lockup is to use a mini chain on your front wheel. All you want to do here is make sure that you're locking your frame to the front wheel. Another popular option is for folks that carry a second U-lock. Again, all you want to do here is lock the frame to the front wheel. So let's recap. Remember, always lock in a well-lit area. Always lock to a stationary object that can't be cut and that you can't lift the bike up and over. And always lock according to value. First priority is the frame, then the rear wheel, then the front wheel. And remember, when you're locking the bike, always keep the lock up off the ground with the keyway facing down.
Hello out there, adventure seekers. Hopefully you are already one of our Xtreme Bright raving fan customers who have had a chance to experience one of our many high quality and very popular LED products. Well, today I have some exciting news to share with you. I want to tell you about our new patent pending, one of a kind Xtreme Bright Illumilock blade, bike lock, and light. That's right, it's both in one. Now, designing and developing this amazing product was a no-brainer. Actually, it was the inspiration that came from so many of our amazing customers. That's you and their brilliant feedback. Now, what many of our customers reported was what their biggest concern or need was feeling safe and secure when riding at night, but also protecting their very expensive investment from being stolen. And customers also feel that the look and feel of a product like this is also very important, because who wants an amazing bike light and bike lock that is unattractive compared to their bicycle? Now, combining the two products in one was also a combination that no one can argue against and saves our customers time and money. So the Xtreme Bright Illumilock blade, bike lock, and light was born. The Illumilock blade is both a powerful combination of a super powerful 300 lumen front and rear backlight, allowing you to see and be seen from far distances. It is also a super secure bike U-lock, using a pick and drill resistant patented locking cylinder, making it smoother, more secure, and also more convenient. It's therefore two products in one, saving you valuable space on your bike and more than certainly fulfilling your needs. The U-lock secures your valuable investment from being stolen, and when you are not using it as a lock, just simply attach it to the easy-to-install mounting brackets for both the front and rear light. It's that easy. Of course, our main focus was on creating the best lock and light possible, which we did, but we also wanted this product to look and feel sleek, so that you and your bike were not only the safest and most secure, but the most high-tech fashionable bike on the street, which you will agree with once you receive this must-have item. In fact, you could already agree with it right now just from looking at it. There is no reason to wait. Get a great value, a great light, and lock. So no worries. Grab it now while supplies last, and we sincerely thank you for your support.